Hello everyone, my name is Isaac, but you can call me Icarus. Today we're taking a look at my skate park build. This MOC was inspired by the fact that all of LEGO's skate park sets are just way too kiddie, full of colors, and not realistic at all. In my experience, skate parks in real life have much more graffiti, teenagers, and concrete. I wanted a lot more flat surface for my minifigures to ride around on, so I built this MOC completely sideways so that all of my dark gray bricks would stack up, creating a really smooth surface that I didn't have to cover with tiles. To make it a bit more interesting, I made it 2 layers, the first half being a little bit lower down than the second half, and those 2 levels are connected via a couple of stairs and a few different ramps. I also strategically placed studs and Technic holes so that I could later add things like a half pipe, benches, plenty of minifigures, and of course a bathroom. A lot of the layout was directly inspired by the layout of my local skate park, and the bathroom is no exception. Ah, hey, what are you doing? Get out of here. Oh, sorry, I'm just filming a video. No, don't mind me. It's tiny, absolutely disgusting. It's got graffiti all over it. The windows are cracked. There's a nice piece of toilet paper there on the floor. Moving on to the half pipe, this was a lot of fun to build sideways as well, using some nice dark red quarter cylinder panels to get that smooth curve. These also have a built-in railing at the top and some Technic pins on the bottom so that they can be attached to the skate park surface and angled however you want. Also down at the bottom is a radio for you to blast some tunes while you're shredding that half pipe, and a little puppy to keep you company. Moving up towards the top, we have a few nice little sloped islands and some more railings for you to grind. There's also a bench for the boring people to sit, a boombox for more tunes, a couple cute girls, and yet another boombox for you to blast those beats out. To give this MOC that final touch of professionalness, the last thing I added was a nice clean white border around the entire thing, and that just really helps encapsulate the scene. My skate park is full of the typical characters you might find shredding the concrete and their various rides of choice. We've got the chill biker, the dad biker, the guy who gets way too into it, the guy who just stands around and watches, the veteran, the girl who sits and judges everybody, the girl who actually skates, the guy who wasn't smart and injured himself, the guy who injured himself and decided to be smart, and the guy who chooses not to be smart. And of course, you got a puppy. The puppy doesn't ride skateboards because this is a very realistic skate park, as I mentioned earlier. Anyway, everybody, that's all I've got to share for today. It was a lot of fun being able to build something that means so much to me, even though I'm a terrible skater. I hope you guys enjoyed checking out this build. Don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought of this build in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye, everybody.